Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Payday 3 on PC or laptop. So in order to download and install Payday 3 on PC or laptop, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to access or install Steam on your device. Only through Steam you could go and download Payday 3. So type in steampower.com and it's going to take you to the official page. And here you need to go ahead and press on install Steam. So basically you have to go ahead and install the Steam and create your account. When you're done creating your account, come to stores, and here you need to go ahead and type in the game that you wish to download. That is Payday 3, type in that. And when you locate Payday 3, you have to go ahead and press on it and it's going to take you to this page. And you're going to select download or add to cart or buy, whatever. And proceed to the checkout method and enter in your information, all that. And then you'll have successfully purchased the game and you could go ahead and download and install the game on your device. And that's how you can download and play Payday 3 on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.